Good YouTube, welcome back to another video. Right now I'm on my way to pick up some carbon fiber parts for the F80 M3. I got the third brake light diffuser, and then I got the M Performance lip with the splitters with the lip. It's pretty sick. I like that OE look, but that third brake light is pretty nice. So right now I'm on my way to pick it up at AA Concepts, the homie Anthony's carbon fiber parts store. So if you guys need any parts, hit him up. Instagram will be right here and linked in the description box if you guys need any parts for your M2, M3, M4. I believe he has like for all BMWs. So right now we're about maybe an hour away, so I can't wait. We're moving the mods on this car pretty fast. I can't leave it stock for too long. Like it's driving me nuts. I've only had the car for like a day, and here I am driving an hour to go get some carbon fiber parts for my car. But yeah, guys, so make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, the like button, and I'll see you guys when we get there. Alright guys, so we just pulled up to Anthony's. This is the owner of AA Concepts. He's got all the carbon goodies. So you have them for every platform, or what? What do you have?
Pretty much every platform for BMW. Okay. So the E90X, fucking M4,
M4s and M6. I'm assuming, bro. Guys, I don't know if you remember, but we did a vlog. We did a video on your car. You had the M2,
the wrap, and
the purple one, loud ass exhaust, wing, everything, and now you're in an M6.
Now I'm an M6, bro.
Okay, wait. Coming from the M2 to this, how does it feel?
One word to like just kind of describe it, like,
yeah.
In one word, big. It's a bigger car. It's a bigger car. But it's powerful. I love it so far.
Yeah.
Every day I'm figuring out new stuff. But yeah, it's been a cool ride. I need to get lower. It's so high right now.
I can just imagine what you're gonna do to this thing, bro. I mean, you had the 340 wide body, you had the M2 wrapped wing, everything. Yeah. I can just imagine what you're gonna do to this car. So
it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be, like I said, it's gonna be crazy.
I feel like in the next few days we're gonna see something crazy on this car.
It's gonna be like my best build yet.
Damn, I'm seriously excited. So you have AA Concepts. So you guys, all the carbon goodies and stuff. So guys, make sure you guys go follow them on Instagram and on YouTube. I'm gonna put everything in the description box. So what did we pick up here? So guys, if you want to explain, go ahead.
So this is our LED brake light diffuser. So it wraps all the way around. You're gonna have the third brake light, which is a cool feature. You know? Not too many people are doing this style in their cars. And I think this is really cool.
Yeah.
Believe it or not, I feel like this is more of like a JDM style.
Really? I think it looks good on the F, especially when it's like dumped and like everything, bro.
It's gonna look so good. 100%.
It's so clean.
Then we got the M Performance 3-piece front lip. So
nice.
Splitters.
Perfect.
There's your under lip.
Cool.
Carbon all the way around. A lot of people have the lips and not have like black or anything.
Yeah. This one's full carbon. That's sick.
So yeah, so this is gonna be a good start off for your car, bro.
Yeah, it's definitely gonna change the front end, and I want to make something on the diffuser, and then you already know.
The front and the back.
Exactly.
It's awkward if you do like a front lip and side skirts.
Exactly. Yeah. Like, what about the rear's got to be something. So definitely gonna be needing the spoiler soon, and the diffuser. I mean, not diffuser, the side skirts.
Believe it or not, these are side skirts for your car.
Are you serious?
Yeah. So
well, let's take them off. No, just like.
Yeah. So if you can look right here, it kind of there's a little gap because this shape right here actually follows your.
Oh, no way.
Yeah. So, but I can't even tell, right?
No, you can't tell. I didn't even know.
It looks good. They're so aggressive.
Wow.
I had it from aggressive. So when you ever get side skirts,
holy crap.
Bad boys on. They're sick. I like
okay, cool. And then, damn, you got the front lip. Damn.
Yeah, big old front lip in the front.
Damn, bro.
I've been doing little mods because, you know, the big builds come.
Exactly.
Like, even Beamer Fest is approaching in a few months.
Are you gonna have it done before Beamer Fest?
That's the debut. I want to like.
Damn, bro.
It's not gonna be like twin turbo 800,000 horsepower, but it's gonna
definitely be how do you say eye catcher?
Eye catcher. It's definitely gonna be.
Damn, that's sick, bro.
Yeah, that's the plan.
Woo! And you got a V8 twin turbo.
It's already fast as it is.
Shit,
I mean,
man.
I'm gonna add some more like goodies for like the engine and stuff. But
you're gonna go all out. I know you. I know you, bro.
Yeah.
Damn, look at the interior, guys.
Yeah,
that is so sick.
It's clean.
Wow.
Yeah.
All right, guys. We got the carbon goodies in the back, and we're off to Masterminds to go get these installed. All right, guys. All right, Anthony. Thank you for the parts. I'll be back soon. You know, I gotta keep modding it. So next thing I think I'm gonna go for is the skirts and the spoiler.
Yeah, because that one is just.
We gotta make this booty look big. The little spoiler. I know.
Yeah, bro,
super excited. Yeah, I'll hit you up, guys. Instagram will be in the description box. Everything, hit them up for your carbon fiber parts. Very good quality. So thanks, Anthony. I'll see you, bro. Thank you. So we got the front lip. We got the diffuser. We got kind of the same thing, huh?
Yeah, and we got a lot of wind today.
Bro, it's so windy today. What's going on?
Like the movie Twister.
I know, it's insane.
So basically, we're gonna install the splitters, the I guess it's the M Performance style.
Yeah, M Performance style lip.
Lip, and then this beauty right here. This is pretty dope. This is my kind of like favorite part that I want to install.
It's sick, huh?
Look at this thing.
Bro, third brake light diffuser. That's so sick.
F1 style. I kind of honestly want to get one myself. So you know what? You should connect me with your guy.
Should I? Guys, AA Concepts. I'm gonna put the Instagram down below. Like I said, everything will be in the description box. Go check them out and go get some carbon fiber parts. Mario, I think you need to start getting some carbon parts.
I'm gonna order them right now. I'm gonna order them right now, actually.
So here's the before, guys. Looks completely stock. It's there's only so long you can drive with it being like this. These parts are definitely gonna make a big difference. I cannot wait. It's gonna be so sick, and then we'll go for a nice little photo shoot. So for these splitters here, how does this process go?
So these splitters actually, they are double-sided tape. From BMW, they apply this type of putty or silicone that then they apply it on.
Yeah.
What we're going to do is, obviously, you guys are noticing that we lifted up the car, we put it on ramps to get more clearance down here for tools. We are gonna have to remove these little rubber thingamajiggas.
Yeah.
So that we bolt it into the place that it's originally have to bolt it into. It doesn't come with holes. That's one thing. And hardware.
Is that good or bad that it doesn't come with holes?
Well, a lot of the things on the F80s, you have to use the original hardware from BMW, so that's probably one of the reasons why it doesn't come with hardware, my guess. A lot of the ones that we've actually installed, they don't. But yeah, we're just gonna make the holes in the proper spot once everything's on there, and then once we install the bottom piece, then we'll go ahead and make the
cool. So
proper alignments and holes and all this stuff.
Should be fun, huh?
Man, now that I see it, it's like a jillion pieces.
Oh man! I put these little cones here around Mario, you know, so nobody steps into. Yeah, nobody wants to step into the workspace here, you know.
Man. All right, guys. So right now, what we're going to do is actually we cleaned up the surface a little bit to make sure that everything's good. And that's Javier.
Hi.
Make sure to follow his channel.
Hey, Two Face M3, follow.
Follow Two Face M3 as well. And we're actually gonna put double-sided tape at the top. And then, sir, this is an off-limits area.
Sorry.
Thank you. Customer lounge is over there.
Damn! What a big difference! Oh my gosh, that looks so sick.
It's crazy.
Wow, that looks good.
This up right here.
Damn. Bro, look at this. Look how aggressive it looks with that. Bro. Like the M Performance. That's so sick. What do you think, G?
Bro, it's so nice.
You're so fake, bro. Damn, that shit looks fire, bro. That looks so sick. Whoo. What a big difference. Damn. That shit looks so hard. We need a photo shoot now. Okay, now I'm ready for a photo shoot. Damn, guys, what do you guys think about the lip and the diffuser? Other parts will be going on. You guys gotta wait till later this week, so I release everything. Comment down below. What are your guys' thoughts? I'm listening to your guys' opinion. What do you think about it, bro? It looks sick or what? Looks dope?
Now we just need side skirts.
I know. They gotta wait this week. Soon. Woo. That looks so good. I've always wanted this diffuser, guys. Like for the longest time, I was like, if I get an F80 or F82, I definitely gotta throw this diffuser on there. Bro, Cheese, I want your honest opinion. What do you think about the lip?
I really like the lip.
Does it give like a more aggressive look?
Yeah, bro. Yeah,
And what about the diffuser?
Bro,
I think the diffuser looks a little bit awkward because the car's not lowered yet. And there's no spacers, there's no spoiler yet, there's no skirts, it's not dropped. I'm gonna slam it.
But there's nothing on the car.
No, what I'm saying, like, what do you think? Like, what do you think about it though? Like, it looks sick or what? Like,
I like the
third brake light.
third brake light.
Yeah.
Bro. That's
Yeah.
badass.
So right now, what are you doing right now?
I'm doing a chrome delete on this bend.
Nice.
I'm doing this side first. I just got it like 3 hours ago.
Oh, like so all the trims?
Everything.
Everything is literally
here, the front.
Damn. So this thing is going for a full blackout.
Yeah, full.
Damn.
Even
Dude, oh, the little racks up here?
rack, yeah, bro.
Damn.
Everything. Except the wheels, they're getting something else.
Bro, the interior is so nice on these cars.
It's the
Damn.
first, bro, the first Mercedes that I see on black and red.
I know, I never see, dude, that looks
seen it
so
before,
sick,
yeah.
bro. Damn. So you like the way I'm going with this little setup right now, or what?
Yeah, I
Looks
really
sick?
like it, yeah,
All right, cool.
for real, man.
Approved?
That's the way to go.
Approved by Javier over here?
Yeah,
Cool.
thumbs up.
Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think about the parts that I'm adding. We got some more carbon goodies on the way. Drop a comment down below. Make sure you guys follow AA Concepts for all your carbon fiber needs. Like I said, everything in the description box below. Go check them out. Tell them LimeRock M3 sent you. Make sure you guys check out Masterminds. Thank you guys for the install. Amazing work. It came out perfect. I love it. Thank you guys at Masterminds. Check them out. Instagram is in the description box below. See you guys on the next video. Peace.